Hi everyone, so we're here again today in Loures, Lisbon, Portugal, at the 5G as a Service general meeting, and we have with us Giada from Nextworks, who is going to help us understand a bit better Nextworks' role within the 5G as a Service project. So Giada, I have a few questions regarding what Nextworks is helping achieve within the 5G as a Service project, and I hope you can help us understand some of the topics better. Nextworks is, within 5G as a service, responsible for the components that translate business requirements into network requirements. Can you briefly describe how this is done?
Yeah, well, what we are doing is basically to consider the service level agreements between the service providers and the service consumers, considering also the service intents of our customers, and translating these intents into a set of quality of service requirements, security requirements, isolation requirements, that are driving the configuration of the 5G network in terms of network slicing, placement of the various application components in order to deliver an end-to-end service that at the end is able to meet the particular requirements of our customers.
What exactly are the benefits of this technology to operators, service providers, and all of their customers?
Well, first of all, we are able to share the network in a really efficient manner. And at the same time, we are targeting specifically the needs of different categories of customers. Everything is done automatically and meeting the service requirements from the high-level perspective. So basically, our customers just need to indicate their own intents in a very high level and business oriented manner. And then everything is translated into the technical perspective in a fully transparent manner. And this allows the customers to focus just on their own business without taking care of how the network is actually working.
Okay, thank you so much.